ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਹੈਡਲਾਈਨ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਰੁਪਿੰਦਰ ਕੌਰ। ਹੈਡਲਾਈਨ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਪੈਨੋਰਾਮਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਵੱਲੋਂ 15 ਅਗਸਤ ਨੂੰ ਆਯੋਜਿਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਥਰੂ ਪਰੇਡ ਸੰਬੰਧੀ। ਪੈਨੋਰਾਮਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਡੇ ਦੇ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਪੈਂਡੈਮਿਕ ਦੇ ਚਲਦਿਆਂ ਵਰਚੁਅਲ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲ ਕੇ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਥਰੂ ਪਰੇਡ ਆਯੋਜਿਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਇਸ ਪਰੇਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਖਾਸ, ਇਸੇ ਸੰਬੰਧੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਪੈਨੋਰਾਮਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਚੇਅਰਪਰਸਨ ਸੁਮੀਤਾ ਕੋਹਲੀ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਸਪਾਂਸਰ ICICI ਬੈਂਕ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਤੇ ਚੀਫ ਐਗਜ਼ੀਕਟਿਵ ਆਫਿਸਰ ਸੰਦੀਪ ਗੋਇਲ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਮਿਸਿਸਾਗਾ ਟੂਰਿਜ਼ਮ ਦੀ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਰ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਕਲਾਰਕ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ।
Hello Sumita, hello Sandeep and hello Victoria. Thank you so much for taking out time for PTC.
Thank you so much and Sat Sri Akal sare audience nu PTCD and we appreciate it from Panorama India for this opportunity once again.
It's a pleasure to have you all here. Sumita, I'll begin with you. Panorama India ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਹਰ ਸਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਵੱਡੇ ਪੈਮਾਨੇ ਤੇ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਰਿਪਬਲਿਕ ਡੇ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਈ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਇੰਡੀਆਜ਼ ਇੰਡੀਪੈਂਡੈਂਸ ਡੇ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਈ, ਲਾਸਟ ਈਅਰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪੈਂਡੈਮਿਕ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਨਵਾਂ ਰੂਪ ਲੈ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ, ਬਟ ਇੱਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਰੁਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ, ਇੱਕ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੀ, ਵਰਚੁਅਲੀ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਹੋਏ। ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਬੇਸ਼ੱਕ ਹਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੈਂਡੈਮਿਕ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ, ਪਰ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਸੁਧਾਰ ਆ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਸਾਲ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਨਵਾਂ, ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਖਾਸ ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੈ?
देखिए पहले तो मैं ये जरूर कहूंगी कि असी लास्ट ईयर वर्चुअल किया सी इंडिया डे सैलीब्रेशन। ਅਸੀਂ 18 ਆਵਰਸ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਡੇ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ। ਪੈਂਡੈਮਿਕ ਨੇ, ਯੂ ਆਰ ਰਾਈਟ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਰੋਕਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸਾਡੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੋਕਿਆ। 18 ਆਵਰਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਿੰਗ ਤੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਨੇ ਸਬਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਸੀ, ਓਵਰ 100 ਆਰਟਿਸਟ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ। ਦਿਸ ਈਅਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ, ਵੀ ਆਰ ਕਾਲਿੰਗ ਇਟ ਰੋਡ ਟੂ ਰਿਕਵਰੀ। ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਵਾਪਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਿਕਲੀਏ, ਬਟ ਸੇਫਲੀ ਨਿਕਲੀਏ। ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਲਮੋਸਟ 2.5 ਮੰਥਸ ਦੀ ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ। ਐਂਡ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਨਾਉਂਸ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਡੇ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ 3 ਮੇਨ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਪਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੇਨ ਪਿਨਕਲ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਰਾਈਟ, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਦਿਸ ਈਅਰ ਦ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਡੇ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਥਰੂ ਪਰੇਡ। ਐਂਡ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੰਨੇ ਐਕਸਾਈਟਡ ਹਾਂ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਕਰੀਏ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੀਨੀਅਰਸ ਤੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਤੇ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਰੁਕੇ ਨਿਕਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਨਿਕਲਣ, ਬਟ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੇਫਲੀ ਆਓ ਤੇ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰੋ। ਤੇ ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਰੈਕਗਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ ICICI ਬੈਂਕ, ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਐਟ ਹਾਰਟਸ ਕਲੱਬ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟਿੰਗ ਸਪਾਂਸਰ ਹਨ, ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਟੂਰਿਜ਼ਮ ਮਿਸਿਸਾਗਾ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਮੀਡੀਏਟਲੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਆਇਆ, ਅਸੀਂ ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ, ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਮੀਡੀਏਟਲੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਆਈਡੀਆ, ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਹੋ, ਬਟ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਨਿਕਲੀਏ ਵੀ, ਇਕੱਠੇ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਟ ਵੀ ਕਰੀਏ। ਤੇ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਸੰਡੇ ਅਗਸਤ 15 ਤੱਕ ਸੰਡੇ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਅਗਸਤ 15। ਸੋ ਵਾਟ ਆਰ ਦ ਚਾਂਸਸ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ?
Definitely, one, it's Sunday, and secondly, one can experience India in one day, and that too in the safety of their car. But when we talk about this drive-through event, you said कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 2.5 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਕਰੀਬ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਪਲਾਨ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਪਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਪਲਾਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਕਈ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਚੈਲੰਜਸ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਬੇਸ਼ੱਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਵਰਚੁਅਲੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂ ਇਸ ਸਾਲ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਸੋ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਚੈਲੰਜਸ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫੇਸ ਕਰਨੇ ਪਏ?
ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੋ ਜੀ ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, and I have to say, I truly have to thank City of Mississauga and Mississauga Tourism, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਹਰ ਸਟੈਪ, ਐਵਰੀ ਸਟੈਪ ਆਫ ਦ ਵੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਲਾਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ। ਅਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਕੋਵਿਡ ਰੂਲ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ। ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੱਡੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਓ, ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਓ, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਿੰਗ ਦੇਖੋ, ਤੇ ਮੇਨ ਸਟੇਜ ਵੀ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਹੋਗਾ, ਸਾਡੀ ਲਾਈਵ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਿੰਗ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਚਲੇਗੀ। ਸੋ ਇਟਸ ਬੈਕ ਟੂ ਦੀ 올ਡ ਵੇ ਆਫ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਟਿੰਗ। ਪਰ ਈਵਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਿੰਗ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਅਸੀਂ ਪਰਫਾਰਮੈਂਸਿਸ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ 4 ਪੀਪਲ ਦੇ ਗਰੁੱਪਸ ਰੱਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਅਪਾਰਟ, lot of rules and regulations ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ 1 ਜਾਂ 2 ਪਰਫਾਰਮੈਂਸਿਸ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਵਿੱਚ, ਐਂਡ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਰੇਡ ਰਾਊਟ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ। ਤੇ ਈਵਨ ਦ ਪਰੇਡ ਰਾਊਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਪਾਂਸਰਸ ਐਂਡ ਪਾਰਟਨਰਸ, ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਆਲ ਹੈਵ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਸਰਪ੍ਰਾਈਜ਼ਸ ਫॉर ਐਵਰੀਬਡੀ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ICICI ਬੈਂਕ, ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਐਂਡ ਹਾਰਟਸ ਕਲੱਬ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬੂਥ you'll pass the tourism Mississauga, City of Mississauga booth. They all have special surprises for all the guests coming. Us to baad you enter India, and literally you will feel like you're entering India in your car. We have states of India being represented by the community organizations that represent them here. So this is not our event, this is the community event that is being put together, but with every safety rule in mind. One thing we do want to tell everybody, there will be a registration link. The event is completely free, but there will be a registration link that will be sent out at the end of July. The minute it is sent out, all the media partners, everybody will get it right away so you can share it. The registration link will allow you to register your car and your license plate. And you'll get a window. So this allows us, Sanu, manage currently easier ho jayega. Because we want to make sure that cars come so you have a full experience and comfortably, and you can have fun. You know, from your cars, you'll be able to take a picture, everything else. And the big other part of this is it's being live streamed on 27 channel partners. So PTC, once again, is going to be live streaming it. So your entire audience that is always tied to us can watch it right here on PTC the entire day, because not everybody can come. And so we want to make sure that if you cannot physically attend, to see Sara Din dekh bhi sakte ho. And the big bonus is, once again, there is a contest. So the best float, you get to vote as a public, and you get to choose your favorite float. And so even from home, you will get to see them live, and in person, you'll get to see them, and you get to vote for your favorite float.
Definitely viewers can watch it live, but as you mentioned about the special surprises, so to know more about it, I'll come Sandeep to you. We have seen ICICI is being partnered with Panorama Events from so many years, but why do ICICI Bank feel it's important to be part of such kind of these events and support these events?
Thanks, first of all, to Sumita for doing these innovative things. See, during pandemic, we all felt that because of COVID restrictions, these events will become a passe. But I think they have been quite innovative in terms of thinking out of box and continuing to engage with the community. So a brief about ICICI, you know, we have been here in this market for almost 2 decades in Canada. And we are exclusively a bank for Indo-Canadians, given our presence both in Canada and a very large presence in India. And we have seen over past decade, this whole migration concept out of India as economic migrants or as students has caught a very different kind of flavor. Though I think there has been some hiccup because of COVID, but on a longer term basis, we feel that Canada will continue to be a destination of choice for Indian immigrants and students. And as a bank, we stand to gain tremendously because we get to serve these people both in India and as well as in Canada. And these kind of events, particularly with Panorama, their out-of-box thinking, the kind of timing they get on India Day. I think their parade was very famous. We were party to that parade also earlier, 3-4 years back. So I think this event represents what we do as a bank. They represent, we are totally coterminous in terms of what they think and what we think, because we are serving exactly the same communities, same interests, and bringing the community together, because we as a bank stand to gain if the community is happy and wealthy. So we definitely are very happy to partner with Panorama team to support this year's event. Thank you.
Definitely, the motive is to bring the community together. But when viewers are going to be there at the drive-through event, what are they going to see in the ICICI Bank booth?
So we have launched this club, Indian at Heart Club, last year. That was also done through Office of CGI and Panorama only. We launched this club. And this club basically unites the 2 million strong Indian community in Canada. The intent is that whenever we come out of India, our roots and our ears and I would say our antennas are still attached to India, and all of us feel that. And whatever happens in India, it affects us both, you know, spiritually, morally, whatever way it affects us. So we thought that we will continue that journey. People have come out of India, but we will bring India to them in Canada. So Indian at Heart Club basically attempts to do certain activities which connect the Indo-Canadians to their homeland. So India is, you know, known for good food, Bollywood, cricket, and a lot of other activities, spirituality in terms of, you know, spiritual tours. So we want to bring these kind of events under this club. Whoever joins this club, it's free to join. You join this club, and I have seen a lot of Indo-Canadians joining this. Plus, I think I have seen a lot of Canadians also joining this club who have spent a tremendous amount of time in India. They have, you know, been seconded from banks or audit firms. They have spent time in India. And once you have touched India or you have stayed in India for 2-3 years, you know that India sticks with you. So they love the food, they love the dance, the culture, the color. So this is a club for anybody who wants to be connected to India. And that club is actually, we are promoting that club through the platform of Panorama India. And you will see in our booth, there are a lot of activities which will center around this club.
ਸੋ ਫਿਲਹਾਲ ਸਮਾਂ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਛੋਟੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਦਾ। ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਾਡੇ ਖਾਸ ਮਹਿਮਾਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਡੇ ਪਰੇਡ ਸੰਬੰਧੀ ਇਹ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਰਹੇਗੀ ਜਾਰੀ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਣੇ ਰਹੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ।
So Victoria, I've come to you. It's good to see Tourism Mississauga is a part of this Panorama event, but why this is important for Mississauga tourism to be part of this event?
Well, first of all, thank you very much for having me. I'm really excited to be part of this event, and thank you to Sumita for inviting us, and also thank you to Sandeep for coming on and supporting the community. Events like this give hope and vitality to cities like Mississauga. We very, very much welcome Panorama. We all love the colors and the vibrancy and the food of the Indian culture. And so to see that even in the face of COVID, even in the face of restrictions, that folks like Sumita and so many others are not going to be stopped. They are going to be making these events happen, and people can't wait to attend them. Mississauga is a great place to work, live, and play. And creating an event like this means that so many folks can get to experience India right practically in their own backyards. So I can't wait. I look forward to future years where I get to eat at your event. I know there is a promise of a parade of wonderful food, but until we can do that again, I really very much look forward to seeing all of the faces coming through in all of the cars and getting to experience each individual stop along the parade. I think it's very innovative. And in these times, like you said, Sandeep, you need to think outside of the box. And so I very, very much appreciate that Sumita and her team have decided to push through and to figure out how to create such a vibrant event in such challenging times.
Definitely not only for the Indian community, but it's very important for the other communities to become part of this and they can experience the whole of India in one day in the safety of their car and have the great taste of the Indian food as well. So what people are going to see when they visit the Mississauga tourism booth?
Well, you're going to see the shining faces of the team of Tourism Mississauga and also staff from the city of Mississauga. We look forward to handing out some information about the things that are going on in our community. And then some things are surprises. I know Sandeep kept his things back too. You know, you have to keep an element of surprise, but we look forward to seeing all of those faces. And we look also forward to having people share their images. Just exactly like you said, sharing the culture, sharing all of the different states, the different images, the different aspects that is what makes India three-dimensional. India is not one thing, it is so many things. And so to have an event like this where people can share those images and share what their experiences are, either whether they're living in Mississauga or they are visiting Mississauga from outside of our region. One of the reasons this is so important to Tourism Mississauga is visiting friends and relatives is a huge part of visitation in the city of Mississauga. Being the home of the single largest international hub airline or airport, the Pearson International Airport in Mississauga, means that we are the first stop and the last stop for many on their trips. Maybe it's their first time to Canada, but we want to remind them that they can step right outside the doors of Pearson and step into this vibrant and vital community. And so we hope that the photos that people share from their event or from their time at this event, that they'll send back home, that events or that broadcasts like this also show that we are a very welcoming community and that we can't wait to host you.
Definitely, we can't wait even to watch this event. Sumita, I'll come back to you. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਦੇਖੇ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਹਰ ਸਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰਿਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਪਾਰਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਇਸ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਦਾ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਵਾਰ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੁਝ ਵੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ?
देखिए इस बार because of COVID and restrictions, the airport हले भी बंद है, so I don't know what celebrity पहुंच सकते हैं, but ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹते ਸੀ कि this time actually the celebrities is our community. I'll be really honest. That was our reason for doing this. I think everybody that puts in the work to be at this parade, everybody who's building the floats, everybody who's sponsoring it. So for us as a board, as you know, we are all volunteers, and every event Panorama does is free. But we can only do this because we have sponsors and partners who come on to make this happen. So our celebrity this year is really everybody who's been stuck at home, who's now coming out and setting this up. You know, there's community organizations that are organizing themselves. They're also volunteer based. They're putting themselves together to build these stage floats that they're putting the work into. You know, all the city staff that's putting in as well, all the work. And then the other thing we want to showcase this year, we're very excited, is not only is the event free, we also want to give back. So we are tying ourselves to Sai Dham and Seva Food Bank. There will be a food drive for India Day that day. So what we ask from everybody who registers to come, please come, bring a donation for the food bank, and let's give back at the same time when we're celebrating India Day, because I think that's the one thing we're proud as a community. We really serve and we give back and we do everything we can. So that's the other exciting part of the announcement for that day, is bring something back. And you know, even Sai Dham's actually giving something to everybody who donates. I mean, this is a food bank and they're also giving back. So I think that what I love and the energy that I'm seeing in everybody and the excitement just to feel like some form of normalcy. I mean, it's not perfect, but we're slowly getting there. So I think our celebrities this time will be that, and the artists. So we have non-stop programming that is happening on the stage the entire day, which you can watch from home and of course in person as well. We're trying to make sure there's programming from every state. So this programming is done by our community. We have phenomenal artists that are submitting. In fact, the response is so much, we're having a difficult time now saying no, because we only have so many slots. You know, as you know, when we do the main stage at India Day, it's 500 artists. You know, the stage never stops. So this time around, we have to, obviously, because of COVID and restrictions and distance, we have to limit it a little bit, but you will see amazing artists and some of the performances that are coming in, because we do see everything before they perform live, you will be amazed at. And our number one goal is not only do you see India through the parade, you see India on the stage, because a big part of our culture is, you know, performances, dance, music, that's, you know, our vibrancy. So you will see that on stage as well. We are working on something. It may not be live on stage, but it may be a surprise that might be digital. But I can't say yes what it is because we're still trying to work through the details.
So along with Tourism Mississauga and ICICI Bank, Panorama has surprises too.
Oh yes, we have actually a lot of surprises we are working on. We don't stop. We do have 2 other events. So as you know, India Day will kick off August 1st. We don't just celebrate one day. We want to make the month full of celebration. So August 1st, we kick off. You're going to start to see a lot of things rolling out. August 7th, as you know, we are holding the live interactive art competition. We did this, it's virtual. We did this at Republic Day. We had 150 kids register. And you know what's beautiful when it was virtual? Kids were registered from Calgary, from Vancouver. And so what happens is we have 4 age demographic. They all get a theme that's attached to their age group. They will then get a Zoom link. They all appear in a secure environment because these are kids that are coming. And then they compete live during that 1 hour. And then we'll announce the winners, of course, live following India Day. The other thing we're doing as well on Sunday, August 8th, is the India Day Expo, which is the online marketplace. We have vendors from India that are showcasing, and we have vendors from here in Canada as well. And in fact, Tourism Mississauga is going to have a booth there. Mississauga, ICICI Bank, Indian at Hearts Club. They're also going to be running live webinars throughout the day. So the India Expo, we are going to open registration at the end of July for that. And during the webinars and throughout the vendor fair, we're giving away prizes as well. So we are finding lots of reasons to give away lots of things. So come, so you can win some things.
Definitely. So ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ viewers ਨੇ ਇਹ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਇਹ event ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ free ਹੈਗਾ, but ਇਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ register ਕਰਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈਗਾ. At the end, Victoria, would you like to add anything from Tourism Mississauga?
I want to say that events like this only happen because of volunteers, and you know, folks like Sandeep and us at the City of Mississauga can make financial contributions, but they do not happen without the ideas, without the love, and without the energy and excitement from committed volunteers like Sumita and so many others. So thank you very much, Sumita, for having the idea, for thinking outside of the box, and then to push through. And again, that positive energy gives people hope, and it attracts people to Mississauga. So thank you very much for that. And thank you for having me here today.
Sandeep, would you like to add anything at that?
Yeah, so this is a special day this time because we are celebrating also the 75th year of our independence. So it's a very special occasion. So I welcome you on behalf of ICICI as well as Tourism Mississauga from Panorama, CGI. Please come and enjoy India to your heart's content in this event.
So Sumita, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਵਾਂਗੀ ਅੰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਐਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੋਗੇ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਵਿਊਅਰਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ?
Anji, I first of all want to thank all the volunteers and the board of Panorama India because this is a collective effort. I'm very lucky. We have an amazing board that only cares about giving back to the community. As you know, when you come to Panorama, our number one goal is what can we do to bring some joy and laughter and celebrate our culture. So I want to thank the entire board. And secondly, I want to thank these partners and sponsors to make this happen. And I am very excited personally. I am looking forward to this. My mom is organizing her seniors groups and their cars. I can tell you that right now. So I would tell everybody the minute the link comes out, please register right away. We obviously have a limited amount of cars. And then those that don't come, watch us live at PTC. You can enjoy and be part of the celebration for the day. Thank you so much for all your support.
We are exciting too for this event. Thank you so much, Sumita. Thank you, Victoria. And thank you, Sandeep, for talking to us about this event. And Sumita, all the best for this event.
Thank you. Sat Sri Akal to everybody.
ਸੋ ਇਸ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਡੇ ਪਰੇਡ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਦੀ ਸੇਫਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਲਈ ਹੈਡਲਾਈਨ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਸ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੀ। ਫਿਲਹਾਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿਓ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੱਖੋ ਆਪਣਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਤੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੀਆਂ ਖਬਰਾਂ ਲਈ ਬਣੇ ਰਹੋ PTC ਦੇ ਨਾਲ।